Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you recover deleted photos from Android device. So first of all, you need to just install an app. So for that, just go to your Play Store app. Now in the top search bar, search for Disk Digger. Now just install this app. There are some other apps like Disk Digger where you can recover your deleted items. You can also try that. Now just go to this app. Now here you can see search for lost photos. Just click on it. You need to just give some permissions. Go to settings and click on allow. And now after a few moments it will show you the deleted photos of yours. Now just select the photo that you want to recover like this and click in the bottom middle recover. Now just select the file where you want to save this and you can just recover this photo. So guys, that's how you can recover deleted photos from Android. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.